Tubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki patba belian nakaleng karilom Khasi bat jantia. Kila tuat chakalumpung seng Ïasohlang kebalai puhendreu ke seng Khasi senrat kebalalong hakashnong Muthlong West Jantia Hills District. Kapang jong nakalumpung kalong ki thiet ki pnyang jingshai baim ki su shapo kisngi barim. Kani kalumpung kebalane lai sngi kanthi kasdang nadu ka khatnyu tarik bat penkut no haka khat khanai tarik yayong hapdeng ke jingpen I Riti jingrai bat jingsha tenrai nakikin hun seng ba pher jong kari Khasi bat jantia. Lasdang ya kalumpung daga jingu blay na ushimpang lingdo nongbri dukhat seng ba kinong shat nong ken hanyoskum hanyotrap kumju ka jingkran lampang na urang ba H Robin kurba president seng Ïasohlang. Nalor ke jingpen I Riti layo ru ke jing sneng jingkrau na kiri urang ba ki bala banjur ke jalan kamban kentiu yada bat pene pensa ya ki Riti Dustur bat ke Jingngeit Niam tenrai katkum bala ai pateng kilong shwa man shwa. Uba Teibor roi Khonglam dukhat sengba kinong shat nong ken hanyoskum hanyotrap. Habakran halor kapang ula banjur ke jingkong san ban pene pensa ya kamaryang. Kameram au menta kalaring tirkhong karap karyang kambhashu namar bamyo bunyo thiang shu nakakmi hendai kini ki a baro ladangi kinmau ngi kindit bangu bandam kabor blai kanwan ban penbyang ban pendap long uba Teibor. Shwakane u Dr. Sunil Mohanty Tribal na Odisha ulakran halor ki santli kimat ki bakongsan ke jingetli haka imlang ka salang ka thamei bat kalong ying longsam ke jingshanya haladi ke jingyada ban pene pensa ya ka mei maryang hagani sngi la sakhi ke jingwan lang jong kinong mekmat na du sembut menteri rangba ke jila uba asnya bhalang dhar ki menteri sarkar kenthop uba wailat miki shila ba sanbor shulai UMLA ka thain ba coming one amban nalor KMDC ke JHADC.
Ông mà phút tay uban ban tay ya ka ai rong tip lan ni uban tay sa em ka balong ba pu Khasi jai kun le yo ni hati ai baro hati no ki kamaro la da ka rit la da ka he ka pensiong le ke ka pensiong le ka pendet ya ka nyam baro ko ông như cái các bạn Khasi bên sông lệ nhìn bên sông lệ luôn cắt các bạn lại là ra như lệ như riêng luôn như phát lên như ngộ ya kami em mariang như ngộ ya kami ram eo kami mariang makan ai uslap kasngi kel air các bạn biết kami ram eo makan ai boy ai thiang ya kiso kisumbai bangi umre min yo ban penon ka bangi umre min yo bang bangin im ban bangin sakit ok ia la kai ya lau jong kon ra ban ka mai ka ok mentawa kumbai le yo I ka shat ki pen kha nei ka long pen kha ka sule kang ban Rei ha ka perkhat Khasi ha ka Jingngeit Khasi nyimla ban shat klem da her shabot le klem dah hiar sekabor le ngimlang baca. Ngimlang itu baca. Nama klem kabor, klem ka hukum, klem ka din kongo jong kabor le. Ngiu benreu ngimnod ban le. Lem la kum ta kan long ke jing tombor, ke jing lebor jong benreu ya ka hukum le kata ka bombit harkit hardan bombit o asal. Kata ka deh kan Khasi. Kata ka deh kan Khasi. Barbaro kibar bo ia ka Jingngeit belai. Baro kibar bo ia ka Jingngeit belai. Hadok lut. Di aja ka bakan songs tingen. Song balai song scam hadok lut. Bat song next scam hadok jabe jong i hadok jumut depan. Kita akan ide sisa irui. Kita akan ide sisa ibangin dia. Kenal itu kiba simnya dia bagi long. Lane kiba bagi don haga Jingngeit Khasi lane haga Niam Khasi. Henry ka perkat Niam kamdon hado lut jengki. Kamdon haga jabing jengki. Sudah betang namar bakim penyeso. Sekiwai pakin Niam. Lane bakim kelanok nalaga jengkan Niam. In ong ba kiri ibadon haga Niam Khasi kata kota. Namar ba kum kata ka Jingngeit. Kaya rengkat bat dibongeng kaju. Ladakan Niam kamdon hadolut. Ladakan Niam kamdon hajabi. Kadon peres hasun haswa. Kitarai bakadai ke Jingngeit. Lada orang mangini yang berkuda ke saksi no. Kata ke Jingngeit. Kabakun kata. Kaya rengkat bat dibongeng. Tungin akan mau para ruseng. Maka Jingngeit Niam jengi Khasi. Ka Jingngeit Niam jengi kum kajak benreu. Kam lada deu kenriam upena. Ubhoi uar. Umaram ulengam unong ston. Umariau lani kuno. Tampe andai ide kajuk aja kan Jingngeit Niam jengi tolong kamu skem hado kata-kata namar ba kan Niam hangi ke jai benreu kadai ba priaso ya ubreu ba tublei dei kan Niam no priaso ya ubreu ba tublei bar ha ka kiwe bagi gede lawan om kabate so ya ubreu bat ublei. Ubreu bat ublei kia Ïasohlang kendrong. Bat kita kini Ïasohlang jengi, kita disuruh ke bagi Ïasohlang boros kata. Bat ublei ulah jengai no na upon benreu hanga ngam pediani kata. Ndai dai ubreu ubayat lani ubayat jengai na ublei le rusak upet. Ndai gini ki baru. Ladangi kan mau ladangi kan deh. Ban nguk ban dem. Kabor boleh kan wan ban penbiang. Kabor boleh kan wan deh. Wan habangi ayat sakma kumne yalek lengok yalek rumah ki baru kau. Kami karek kami marian kadang berkati. Kadang berkati. Hagade hagabade ban ai Tama umbiang por. Tenteng ailap, tenteng ide. Yo tu yo tambah hakoi kapor lap hakoi kapor dire. Kata kada gini dono. Kata kada gini dono. Balai namar bangi uben reu gimbiang so kamu kadem ka pencomble ya kamiram. Ni uben reu gimbiang so kamu kadem ka pencomble ya kamiram. Yang kira kau ni bahasa lakhin sol, lakhin berat, Bangakan mah kapor bangi dan yak na ngingik ha ma uta orang jauh dengan suai. Wow, tak bersama pakla. Ndai kenal unong ker unong dah. Unong ker unong dah. Uspai boleh. Pad haman ni jing dia bas deo. Larang ibiang ka Niam. Larang ibiang ka lek ni. Hak jing dia bas ni. Urang jauh udah. Laga pangkas itu, lani. Kanu ke jengwan lek tombor, ke jengwan lek bor, jom. Iwe pat beriu, irius niu, irius niu.
You know, harmony among these communities will fight among each other, and the whole world, the state, the land will be a tragedy, a misfortune, with fighting between each other, with the ego of our own social, groups, social communities. So social harmony, let us keep up. That is the fourth value. And the fifth important value is to protect, to celebrate, to observe the civil duties. For example, the constitutional laws, the constitutional preamble, the duties which everybody, the state, the civil society demands us to follow. For example, walking on the left of the road, while driving a car, let us have the seat belt tied up, let us have the helmet putting onto our head when we are driving a motorcycle. So, and also giving voting rights every 5 years, 100% votings. So all these civil duties, constitutional duties that have been guaranteed to us by the Constitution of India should be followed by us. So these are the 5 social transformations that I have come here to appeal to you for a great society, for a great country. And lastly, my previous speakers also stressed upon the 3 commitments of our Niam Khasi, the oral literatures, like tip reu, tip lai. That means we must know humanity, and that is how we can know our God. If we do not know our duties as a human, we cannot, find out God. So, to know God, we must know humanity. And also, opposite wise, know God will be, realized without any humanity. That is why the first commitment of our Niam Khasi is Tip Reu, Tip Lai. And the second one is Tip Kor, Tip Kha. And the third one is Kamai Ia Kahok. That means always on righteousness. We must walk in the path of righteousness. That is how the humanity can be preserved, because humanity is the gateway to divinity. And for divinity, we must have a selfless service. Service is the spiritual practice of any divine spiritual tradition. And also, these 3 commitments speak about oneness of existence, and also the love as the highest truth. Let us love each other as human beings. And without, divisive attitude, what I said that which divide us, let us forget. Let us give goodbye to the divisive attitudes, the breaking points of our society which break us, which divide us. And that is how dharma is through our action, through behavior, not just preaching. We must follow the dharma, the religions, the rituals by our own behavior. That is how I must today say that the whole world, I am giving you very good news. There is an organization, International Council for Cultural Studies, which is a global organization, which is the umbrella organization of the world's ancient indigenous faith traditions. The sound is not coming. You must speak Bharat Mata Ki Jai in a very loud voice. Bharat Mata Ki! Thank you very much.